Hell yeah, Josh. KX has got some power. Oh shit, whole bike was sideways. I was wondering what jump he was talking about. That's what he was talking about. Oh, sideways there. No jump that time. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Very nice and flowy. We just need a little bit of berm. This one right here. You hit the brakes, see there's no stopping. We just got to beat that berm in. Don't get too far away. Everywhere else is good. Well, we are beating this in. We just need to... I got you. I got you, brother.
I'm good.
Sure? Damn, I thought your leg was pinned for a second.
Yeah, I'm good. Just a little tip over, right?
There you go, brother.
Dude, nothing beats flying into that corner right there and having that rear wheel slide. It feels so soft.
It's the end of the day where we are all beat right now, and it still looked good, dude.